Hi guys, it's Alston. I wanted to finish the winner selection process for our exclusive Black Friday giveaway. Really sorry guys that it took all this time. I've been busy with other stuff, but that is not an apology. We ran it during the Black Friday time, but I got held up with Black Friday stuff and moving stuff. So really sorry about the delay and everything. So just thought to finish up the giveaway today. So I validated the entry. Gratefully, there was no fake entry or spam entry since we were only limited the giveaway within the community itself. Now I will record the video of winner selection process, then obviously try to contact the winner and try to get the prizes, all the prizes awarded, and finally we'll get him to confirm it also. Okay, now let's go into the video. First, this was the giveaway where we were giving one member 5 pro agency lifetime deal for each of these WordPress plugins. This prize is sponsored by Web Factory Ltd. They are founders for these plugins. We are giving VP Reset, VP Sticky Pro coming soon, and Maintenance Mode Pro plugin, Google Map, and under construction page. Basically, one agency license for each of these plugins. We ran the giveaway during November 26th for probably around 2 weeks or something like that. We gathered around 49 valid entries since we restricted the entries to only the community. I didn't advertise or anything like that. Basically, I have hidden just the email using the blur verb for shout out for that plugin. And these are the email entry names. There are 3 pages around worth of 3 pages, so overall 49 entries are there. Now I'm going to pick a random winner from here. I'm using Vurai, so the whole process is automated, and you can see I can choose the winner. I have selected the number of winners as 1 and 49 members, and let's see who gets the prize for this giveaway. Let's see. And hopefully, and we got the winner. I'm not sure whether he is in our group. Let me check it out and see. If not, I will contact him in the community itself, email, and try to confirm the prices. uh, Okay, we have him the groom. I remember him, but I will try to contact him and award the prize and also will confirm it. Once again, thank you so much for entering in this giveaway. Hopefully, I will try to come up with another giveaway also in coming weeks or something like that, because I have planned few ones. And once again, thank you so much for staying in part with community, and have a great day, guys. Cheers.